Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. So my dear Papa was in need of a new dress coat, and we are both so pleased with this beautiful coat from Botten. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing, but it fits him so well. It's lightweight so he can wear it through the spring and the fall, and it's well made so I know it's going to last him for a few years. The buttons on this are very secure, which was a problem with his old coat. They kept coming loose, but it is not a problem with this new one. We really liked the lining, that it's made of a good, strong material, and the stitching is very strong also, so we know it's going to stay put even if it gets some abuse. It also comes with a detachable belt that's made from the same soft material as the coat is, and you can cinch it in the back and the front or not wear it at all if you choose. Now, my dad is one of the sweetest people I have ever met, so when I surprised him with this coat, I thought even if he hates it, he's not going to tell me, so I had to try it on for myself, and I loved how comfortable it was. I know this is something that he can wear all day through his various senior activities, and he has room to move his arms and shoulders, and he's not going to be uncomfortable, and even if he wears a sweater underneath, he's going to be just fine all day. And the length is long enough to keep him nice and warm, but not trip him up. So this coat from Botten is a win in many ways, and I think you're going to love it also. And that's my point of view.